Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. So in the last videos we have learned few location client provider to get the updates of the current location. So now in this video we will learn how we can use the location manager to get the updates of the location. So for location manager we have no need to add Google Map in our Android application. So it's not necessary to add the Google Map in our application. So what we have to do for this project, we have to add the dependency, this one location, and here we have to check the permission. So here I have checked the permission. Here we have method check permission that I have already explained in the first video of this Google Map series. So when permission granted, we have created variable is permission granted, we have stored true. So now we have to use the location manager to get the location update. So here we have to check if is permission granted, and here we have to create the method to get the updates of the location. So here we will create the location update method, location update, and here we have to create this method inside this activity. So here I will, sorry for spelling mistake. So here I have to press alt enter to create this method. So now we have to create the location manager. So here I will create the location manager, and here I will simply call it location manager. So now I will use this location manager to initialize it. So here I will create location manager equal to get application context dot get system services. So here I will create location service. Okay, now here we have to press alt enter to typecast it. That's it. Now we have to create location manager dot request location. So here we have to provide few parameters. So here I will pass location manager dot GPS provider. So here we have to provide the GPS provider. You can also use the internet to get the updates of the locations. So now we have to pass the time. So here I will pass 5-second interval time. We will get the update of the location after 5 seconds. So now here we have to pass the distance. So I mean how much distance I will travel to get the update. So now here we have to provide the location distance. So here I will pass main activity dot this because I will implement at the top. So here we have to implement and location listener. So here I will select this one and we have to implement the method. So press alt enter to implement the method. So here you can see we have so many methods. So here I will implement all the methods. So here it's showing the error because we have permission missing. So here I will press alt enter to ask the permission, or we have to add the annotation of missing permission. So here both we can use. So when over permission granted, here we have again we need to check call this method. Okay, so if over permission is granted, this method call, and if here already permission granted, then again we call this method. Okay, now on this location change method, here we will create toast message. So here we will create the toast message location, and here I will pass location dot get latitude longitude. Location dot get longitude. Okay, now let's run the application and test this application. Okay, now here you can see permission is granted and over latitude and longitude is available. So let me move from one place to another place. Let me open my virtual assistant, and here we will click on this route, and let's say I travel from one place to another place. So let me select here any place. So I will travel from one place to another place. Let's say I click on play. So here you can see when I move from one place to another place, it will showing the toast message. You can see here. So here you can see it's moving. So it's showing the toast message of latitude and longitude after 5 seconds. So in this way you can use the location manager. So location manager is not actually used for Google Map. So you can also use location manager for Google Map and as well as other simple application. So if you have any question, any problem, let me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.